guys, welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is another Amazon haul. I love Amazon. It is so convenient, and I found so many wonderful things. I know you will love some of the things I found. But before I get started showing you what I found, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Top Cashback. I've worked with them in the past, and I really cannot say enough good about the company. They don't require a minimum for your payout. If you're going to shop at home in the comfort of your home, you might as well get paid for shopping. And they work with a lot of different retailers: Dollar Tree, Walmart, Amazon, QVC, HSN, tons of different people. So before I show you what I've purchased through Amazon using Top Cashback, let me show you a really quick video on how you use Top Cashback, and I will put the link in the description box if you want to sign up. I would recommend it. It is very good. Like I said, if you're going to shop, you might as well get paid to do it in the comfort of your home. So I'll be right back with this wonderful little haul. Okay guys, here is the Top Cashback site. You just go to Top Cashback. I'll have the link in the description box below. And like I said, they have over 4,000 retailers on Top Cashback. And right now on Amazon, I do want to let you know that not everything, not all categories are available to earn cash back on Amazon. They change frequently, so you need to check and make sure. But right now, some of the items that you can get cash back are furniture, luxury beauty, clothing, accessories, jewelry, and when I did it, anything for the pets were on there. So what you do is you just go ahead, like I said, they just want a little bit of information from you. Then you just go up here, Target's even on this, and you go to Amazon, and they just do the rest. It automatically puts you right onto Amazon, and you will be earning up to $10 cash back for Amazon. And you can see here Walmart, Target, Sam's Club, all kinds of places. But anyway, so we're going to click on Amazon because that's what I want to shop for. And you can see Amazon devices, 8%, security, 7%, furniture, 8%, women and men and kids apparel, you get 10% back, jewelry, pet food and supplies, 6%, and then the luxury beauty. And you just click down through here and you can see what all they have, okay? So I want to I think I'm going to go right now and check for my little dogs to get some things. So I'm going to click get some cash back, okay? And so if you click on that, it'll take you to this little area and you can just search. So I'm going to put in, I want an iCrate dog kennel. So I'm going to click on that, and I want something that is not, she's really small. So I'm going to click on this. It's that simple. You just click on there. You can go down through here just like normal and see. But right here, I want the 18-inch with the divider with the single door. You can get double door or whatever, but that's the one that I want. You can look up close. It's $16.99. All you have to do is just add that to your cart, and you are making your money back, okay? So then we will just go up here. I want to look up the French country decor for the home, and I'm looking for some canisters, but oh, I've seen a lot of really nice things on here that I'm going to come back, I think, and maybe get. But I love these canisters. These are the ones I've had my eye on for a while. You just click on it and you're earning cash back, okay? Now they're $40. These were $45. But like I said, on Amazon, prices tend to fluctuate. So just, keep it in mind when you're looking at this. So all you have to do is just add it to your cart. So this is a wonderful way to shop. If you're going to shop anyway, you might as well. I always say just get your top cash back, because it's true. There's no minimum payout. There are over 4,000 retailers, like I said. It's easy to sign up. They don't want a lot of information from you, like your email, your name, just very few things. And it is a wonderful company, and I really do like them. So I'll leave the link to sign up in the description box. Let's get back to the haul. Okay, as I told you all the last time I did my haul that I had my eye on some things, and the prices on Amazon will fluctuate from time to time. And I'll put everything that I found in the description box below. And I'm not affiliated with Amazon. If you click on any of these links to purchase this, I don't get paid for that. But if you do click on the top Cashback to register for that, I do get a very small commission. It's not much at all, but it's well worth it to you. I use it all the time when I'm shopping. So let me show you what I found. Okay, I was wanting some French country canisters for my home, and I found a set of 3. They're ceramic. This is how the largest one looks. It's kind of, you see that like bevel design on the back? I love it. And then the top pulls off, and it has this little silicone lip, okay? And you just push it down in there. But this is the taller one. I love these. I love the fleur-de-lis on the front. This is so French country, Tuscan. This would even go great farmhouse. I love it. And I love the little detailing at the top. And I don't know if you can tell, but this is like an aged bronze. But this is the medium size. And then this is the smaller one. Aren't those gorgeous? Just look at that detailing, and maybe you can see that better. They are so pretty, and they all look alike. I just love them, okay? So I picked those up. Then, as many of you know, we're getting a little dog, and we're getting her very soon, sooner than we even thought. So I told you that I was going to get, when I hauled the other little bracelets, that I was going to get another one. Well, I thought we were going to be getting the dog then, and I found this one. It is so precious. Let me take it off and show you. But it has this little round, and it's totally stainless, so it won't turn. This says, "When I needed a hand, I found your paw." And I think that is adorable. Then it has a little paw right here, and then this just has a little heart. But I think that is just so adorable, and I love what it says. It's just so sweet, and I don't have to worry about it turning. Now this, I'll put all the prices and everything. I think this was like $9. It wasn't much. The canisters were $40 for a set of 3, okay? And then the next thing I got was, when our little dog gets here, we wanted to have a little bed for her. And this is a little corduroy bed. This washable, this little inside pillow comes out. It is so fluffy and soft. I know she'll love it. And like I said, she is a very tiny little dog, so this will be perfect for her. And I can't remember how much this was. I think it might have been $16. I'm not sure, but like I said, I'll put all the prices and everything in the description box below. I didn't buy a lot of stuff because I only found a few things that I needed. Then we wanted to get a crate, so we purchased an eye crate for her. And this is perfect for little dogs. And it has the little door that opens up here that she can go in. This bottom tray is removable, and I bought a pad to go down in there once she's housebroken. Until then, I'm going to have to just put blankets or something down in there with maybe chucks over top of that. But then this is a little divider that you can put in there as she grows and gets more and more housebroken to give her more and more room. So I love this. This was, I think, $16, and this is a big savings because we've been to PetSmart, we've been all over, and they're very expensive, and so are the beds. And so I feel we really got a good deal on this. But I just wanted to show you these few things that I picked up. I really do like them. If you love pets, I know you would love this little bracelet. At least I do. And these canisters, oh my gosh, I love them. They are so perfect for my decor. I'm going to put them right over there, and I know they're gonna look gorgeous. So I'll go ahead, like I said, and link all the links if you want to order any of this stuff in the description box below. And I'll also put the link to sign up for Top Cashback. They don't want a lot of information from you, just your name, email address, very few things. I have not had any problems with them at all. I wouldn't be working with them if I didn't truly believe in them, because I get a lot of offers and I turn down, I'd say 97, 98, almost 99% of them. If it's not in line with what I believe in or I think you will enjoy, I just don't do it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.